Lawyer's reaction.
Okay, so first of all, I understand the guy was driving straight, but the person who got rear-ended, he had the right of way. The tractor trailer that was coming onto the highway was supposed to yield to him, and it didn't appear that he was necessarily in a position where he was going to hit the tractor trailer was going to hit him. Seems like the person who was driving the vehicle kind of got scared of the possibility. So in order to avoid what he thought was going to be an accident with the tractor trailer on the right, he wound up getting into an accident with the person behind him, all because of a little bit of maybe fear that there's a tractor trailer coming on the road. Now, my opinion, if you're afraid of driving next to tractor trailers, then don't get behind the wheel of a car.